Hey guys, welcome to the Engineering Toolbox Channel, where I show you how to solve real-world engineering problems with some common and some maybe not so common tools. So in this video, I'm going to be going through how to actually create a user form for data entry into our project management uh, table. And if you're not familiar, we'll be using VBA, which is Visual Basic for Applications, and it's a Microsoft interface that allows you to automate a lot of applications that are common um, applications that we'll use in the engineering field. So it's a really useful tool. It's a great skill to have. It'll help you automate a lot of Microsoft Office applications, but also things like SolidWorks and Inventor and all those engineering applications as well. And plus, coding is just a great skill to have in general. So this is a great starting point. Um, Again, great skill to have, and we're going to be learning it. So let's dive in. All right, so here we have our user form. Again, using VBA, we can create this and actually design it any way we want. And you'll notice that what I did is I recreated all of the columns in our table into this nice organized user form. Just right off the bat, you can see that it makes it a lot more clean. And some of the great benefits that we'll get out of this are error proofing through use of things like combo boxes here. You can see I added some status information there, some project types, priority. So you get the idea. Another benefit is notes can get kind of long. So this will allow us to see longer strings of text in a bigger box right here versus having to stretch this column out or having all that information from our notes kind of clutter up our table. So that's a nice feature. So what this will allow us to do is enter our data right into here, and when we hit OK using some code, what it'll do is it'll find the last row and add it into there. And then we'll also make it so we can double click anywhere in a line in our table and it'll actually display that information in our user form. Then we can make edits through this user form and then send it back in. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually create this step by step. So look forward to seeing you there.